Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by stabilizing the piece and trimming the edge for a clean surface. This prevents lifting later. Once trimmed, you must degrease and very lightly scuff the cut edge so the edge coat bonds. Make sure to mask the face about 1/8 of an inch to protect the finish. Mix the edge coating formula exactly to the manufacturer ratio. Inconsistent mix causes softness or flaking. Then load a small brush or squeegee and lay a thin, controlled first pass along the edge. Once the first coat is tacky, you build the edge with 2 to 3 thin layers rather than one thick layer. Thin coats cure stronger and sand better. Make sure to wait the recommended tack time, typically 10 to 15 minutes, so each coat keys to the previous. Use steady strokes, pushing toward the face then feathering back to avoid ridges. If adhesion looks hesitant, you can apply low heat, 200 to 250 degrees Fahrenheit, briefly to help flow and bonding, but don't overheat. You finish by wet sanding between build coats, starting around 320 grit and moving to 600-800 for a polished edge. This removes runs and blends the seam. Make sure the final cure is allowed, typically 24 to 48 hours, before you flex or install the piece because early stress causes failure. Inspect edges closely for gaps or thin spots and touch up as needed. Troubleshooting tip: if you see bubbling or peeling, re-clean the edge, reapply a thin coat, and use gentle heat and pressure to rebond. Replace the strip only if the adhesive will not hold.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.